One really important thing to do when you first get your lovely Charlie outdoor kitchen island unit is to level it. Exactly the same as you would if you've got a fridge freezer in your kitchen. You need to adjust the feet so that it sits absolutely square. And this is particularly common on patios because nearly all patios are built with a slight slope on them to allow the rainwater to drain off. So the symptom of that is pretty obvious. When we look here, we'll see that the drawers don't sit entirely square in the frame. And for them to open and close properly, it's really important to square them off by leveling the unit. So you'll see here, this one is slightly low on the right. If I pull it up on the right, the drawers level out. So all we're going to do is to adjust the caster to level it permanently. So get your spanner on both the bolts and wind them out so that the right-hand side raises up. You can use a spirit level if you want to completely level it, but to be honest, I think the best way of doing it is just to eyeball it so that that is now completely straight and square. When you're happy with the position that you've got, just wind the top bolt into and up to the frame of the oven and just get it finger tight. It's not going to go anywhere, and then it's perfect.